Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very good day because I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite side dishes ever. I'm going to show you how to make perfect baked oven fries. So I tested these oven fries so many times to get them just right. And they are so delicious. They have a crunchy outside, a fluffy inside, and an incredible flavor thanks to a secret ingredient. We are going to shower the oven fries with fresh chopped herbs when they come out of the oven, as well as some grated Parmesan cheese, and that's gonna take them over the top. So just beware that these oven fries have a tendency to overshadow whatever it is you make for dinner. In fact, sometimes I just make a batch, serve them straight out of the oven as an appetizer when we have friends over, and they disappear in an instant. I can't wait to show you how to make baked oven fries, so let's head to the kitchen. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, that way you won't miss out on any of my wholesome, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes. If you click that little notification bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Let's start by prepping the potatoes. Now, I tested this recipe with several different varieties of potatoes, and russets, also known as Idaho potatoes, were the clear winner. They turn crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Cut the potatoes lengthwise into 1/4 inch planks, then cut them vertically into 1/4 inch strips. And voila, you have French fries. You can peel the potatoes before slicing them, but I just leave the skin on. It adds nutrients and I like the flavor. Transfer the fries to a large bowl. Now here is your number 1 tip. Cover them with hot tap water. That hot water is going to help rinse away some of the starches on the surface of the fries, which will give you crispier fries. And it's going to help to form a slight skin on the fries, which again, just gonna make them crispier. Drain the potatoes, and now here is your second big tip. You want to dry the French fries using a kitchen towel. The drier the fries, the crispier they'll be. I have a large parchment-lined baking sheet that I'm going to drizzle with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add those fries, drizzle them with another tablespoon of olive oil, and now for the secret ingredient, some granulated garlic. That gives them an incredible flavor. Season with salt and pepper, and then we'll just toss the fries to evenly coat. This entire batch only needs 2 tablespoons of oil. Here's the last big tip. You want to spread the fries in an even layer. It is okay if some of them are touching, but they shouldn't be overlapping. You can use 2 baking sheets if you need to. Bake the fries for 20 minutes at 450 degrees, then we're gonna come in and flip them over. Now be careful, the fries are really hot at this point, so if you need to let them cool, that's fine. Flip them over and rearrange them so that they're all evenly interspersed. And then we'll put them back into the oven for another 15 minutes or so, or until they are browned and crisp. You can eat the fries just as they are, and they'll still be pretty delicious, but you guys, we're going to take them over the top. First things first, you want to season them with more salt right when they're hot out of the oven. Now for the fun part, we're going to sprinkle the fries with chopped parsley, and that is going to add a lot of brightness, and chopped chives. So if you've ever had potato chips with a chive dip, you know that this is a match made in heaven. But we're not done. We're also going to add grated Parmesan cheese because there is nothing better in this universe than cheesy fries. All right, now you can serve these fries straight off the baking sheet. I will transfer them to a platter. I like to serve them with both ketchup and aioli because I'm an aioli girl and my kids love ketchup. They're a great side dish to just about anything or even a brilliant appetizer. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I've included a link below to the recipe for these herbed baked oven fries. And I've also included a link to my website where you can find a ton of other recipes, including some main dishes that might pair well with the fries. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.